In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload course on Teachable. We'll walk through creating a new course, adding a thumbnail, and bulk uploading your lesson files so you're set up fast. First, open Teachable and head into your school's admin dashboard. On the left sidebar, select Courses to view your course library. Click New Course to start a fresh one. You'll land on a setup page where you can enter a course title. Choose something clear and specific so students immediately know what they'll learn. Below that, add a short description. Focus on outcomes, who the course is for, and the format. Keep it concise but informative. When you're happy with it, click Continue to save and move on. Next, add a thumbnail image to give your course a polished look. Click Upload an image, then Upload, and choose My Device to browse your computer. Pick a high-resolution image you own the rights to, ideally something that represents your topic and is easy to read at small sizes. After selecting it, choose Open, then Upload File, and wait for the progress indicator to finish. Click Done to confirm, and continue to proceed. Now it's time to bring in your content. Choose Bulk Upload to add multiple files at once. You can drag and drop, but here we'll select My Device to pick files from your computer. Select your lesson videos, PDFs, audio, or slides, and click Upload File. Teachable will queue and process each item. Keep file names organized and descriptive. This makes it easier to arrange lessons later. Large videos may take a while depending on your connection. Let the upload finish before navigating away. Once the upload's complete, your materials appear in the curriculum area, ready for you to organize into sections, adjust lesson titles, and fine-tune settings. That's the core workflow. Create the course, add a strong thumbnail, and bulk upload your content. Follow these steps and you'll have your course set up and ready for the next stage.